Baby, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Baby, it's gonna be okay. Baby, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Just so you know, I'm proud of you, Jayden. Shit would be different if the crowd was a hating. I go on my turn, I'm allowed to be waiting. I'm sorry that it took so long. It's hard for me to book a song. My heart is free, I'm looking strong. And my baby Nehemiah, maybe we can beat it quiet. Lately I've been seeing fire. Hate because I beef for liars, racing them on decent tires, waiting on when he retires. But I always keep a job, and that's all I speak to God. Flow so raw, I beat the odds. Both of you encourage me to take note. This word is free, like don't it go deserve the key. Yahusha gotta pray in his name. A shooter, that's what I play in the game. Local recruiter, so I stay with the flame. And Jayden is my firstborn. We made it through the worst storm. I'm shaking, but my church run. You going up now, use a man. I'm hoping I don't lose a fan. Joking like I'm Superman. Picking it up and passing the ball. We living so rough and I'm laughing with dog. We're shaking it tough. I'm the captain of the call. So quick it up if it happened to fall. The last part was fast, and that's for y'all.